our top story. A child was killed by an alleged drunk driver last night in Pittsburgh.
Now, we have video of the aftermath of that crash. It happened around 6 o'clock on West Leland Road, just east of John Henry Johnson Parkway. The driver also died in that crash, along with an adult and two other children. Well, the adult and two other children were hurt. The crash involved a Chevrolet Camaro, rear-ended a Toyota Corolla. The Toyota then lost control, hit a tree. The driver died, and a person in the front passenger seat was seriously injured. 3 children in the back seat were ejected from the car, and one of those children died.
The driver of the Camaro was not hurt, and here's video of him being arrested for DUI. 2 passengers in his car were also seriously hurt, and they're in the hospital right now. The victims who survived are all as well recovering in the hospital right now.